Need to reset your LG TV because you're experiencing problems or just thinking of selling it? Here's where you can find the reset function in the settings.
Start by accessing the main settings by either pressing the button on your remote that looks like a cogwheel or via the home page, again looking for that cogwheel symbol. Once there, go to General and then scroll all the way down to System. Once there, you'll see Reset to Initial Settings. Click on this. Here you'll see two options. The top, Reset All, will completely reset your TV, deleting all stored data, passwords, accounts and settings. Use this if you're giving your TV away. The second, Reset All Except Network Settings, will delete all account information, passwords and so on, but will save your network settings such as your Wi-Fi network. Use this if you're resetting for other reasons. Once the WebOS logo appears on screen, and after another wait, you'll eventually see the same opening screen as when first setting up your LG TV, which has a picture of the remote on it. You've now successfully reset your TV. If you're giving it away or selling it, turn it off now. If not, continue with the normal setup process.